This demo showcases how Vozo Health helps you monitor patient growth effectively. You'll see how to access and analyze various growth charts for detailed insights. Click the Patient section to begin managing patient information. Click Patients to view the list of all registered patients. After clicking the desired patient, you will be taken to the patient chart. In the side menu, you can see the growth chart below the past medical history. You will see different age range sections where you can select ranges such as 0 to 6 months and 6 months, 2 years, etc. Click 6 months to 2 years again to review the growth data for this period. Click 0 to 5 years to view comprehensive growth information for early childhood. You can view the chart based on height for age, weight for length, and BMI for age. Click Weight for length to assess weight relative to height measurements. Click BMI for age to evaluate the patient's body mass index across ages. The growth chart will be calculated based on the vitals entered in the appointment screen. All the data will be displayed below the chart.